If you're looking to upgrade your desktop's memory, the Timetec 64GB KIT DDR4 3200MHz RAM might be the perfect solution. This kit includes two 32GB modules, providing a total of 64GB of high-speed memory. Designed specifically for DDR4 desktop systems, this RAM is not compatible with laptops, notebooks, mini PCs, or all-in-one devices. One of the standout features of this memory kit is its versatility. Although it is rated at 3200 MHz, it can downclock to 2933 MHz or 2666 MHz to match your system's specifications, ensuring compatibility across various setups. This flexibility is a significant advantage for users with different system requirements. The Timetec RAM operates at a voltage of 1.2 V and features a CAS latency of 22-22-22-52. As an unbuffered, non-ECC memory, it is designed for standard desktop use, ensuring stability and performance without the need for error correction. This kit is also dual-rank, based on 2RX8 configuration, which generally provides better performance in multitasking and heavy applications compared to single-rank modules. Installation of the Timetec 64GB KIT is straightforward, thanks to its standard 288-pin UDM form factor. Just ensure that your motherboard supports DDR4 memory and the 3200 MHz speed for optimal performance. The memory modules are built to last, and Timetec backs this up with a lifetime warranty from the purchase date, along with free technical support based in the United States. This warranty provides peace of mind, knowing that your investment is protected. Performance-wise, users can expect significant improvements in their system's responsiveness and multitasking capabilities. Whether you're running demanding applications, gaming, or simply want a smoother computing experience, this memory kit delivers. The high capacity of 64GB ensures that you have ample memory for intensive tasks and future-proofing your system. In summary, the Timetec 64GB KIT DDR4 3200MHz RAM offers excellent performance, flexibility, and reliability for desktop users looking to upgrade their memory. With its lifetime warranty and robust technical support, it's a top choice for those seeking the best memory upgrade for their desktop computers. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.